Today's project is we're getting the headers done and the exhaust done on Mad Max. We changed everything up since sick week. We put a Noonan Hemi in it. I'm pretty excited about it, and I'm real excited about the pie cuts that Stainless Works making. That's amazing. And obviously you've seen how many we put together. So it's gonna be a lot of welding. It looks cool. I like it. And the exhaust is going to go right with it because it's all pie cuts. So it's a mix of pie cuts and bends. And I like the look. I think it'll be awesome. It'll be user friendly. And like I said, it's a Hemi. You don't have to worry about spark plugs. That's so nice. Mad Max started out as our NMCA Pro Mod. We had Jerry Bickle build it. We did my big block Chevy. We won, I think I won 3 Wallies with this car. You know, the drag and drive was getting heavier and heavier, and people started bringing Pro Mods, so I thought, well, hell, we'll just put this thing on the street. I think it was 2015 or 16, we won the Hot Rod Drag Week, and we had the fastest average ever. And up until last year, it finally got beat, and it took them 15 years to beat it. So we're going back after it. We want that record back, and I want to lower the average to a 5-second average. That would be a cap off to my career. I would love to just bow out, and if Jeffrey wants to do it, you know, I'd ride with him because he's been through hell with me. I would like to just put a period on it, end it with that, and go race this thing. All the struggles we had before was the motor. You know, we were getting after it pretty hard early, which a lot of people at Drag and Drive don't do. It just took its toll on those big blocks, and I just had enough, and I just couldn't do it anymore. So that's why we did the Noonan Hemi. They are just user-friendly to tear apart. The ones in the Mustang and the 57, you can pull the heads off, leave the intake on. This one's a little different. You can't do that with this one, but this still will be way quicker to work on than the big block Chevy. Everything's O-ring. The only 2 gaskets on the motor are the head gaskets. Everything else is O-ring, so it's just learning from the Mustang and learning from the 57. It's just so much easier to work on. I'm not getting any younger. I hate working on them as much as we were, so we've learned over the years with the Mustang and the 57. It's just a much better platform to work with. To do what we need to do, we need to make 4,000 horsepower, and longevity is key on this deal, because to put the kind of boost that we're going to put to this motor, an LS ain't going to make it. And I thought it would be cool to have a water Hemi in the Mad Max. That's why we're doing what we're doing, and I think this car is very capable of it. As long as the motor stays together, we'll be in good shape. We got 2 things high on my priority list. This for sure, and getting Jeffrey in behind the wheel of that Camaro. I think it's time for him to race. I'd love for him to enjoy some of this while I'm still here. I would love to stand behind the car and watch him go, and go really fast. So, you know, maybe he'll go faster than I've ever went. You know, that car right there is capable of it.